Good morning, guys. Happy 2025. Yeah, that year that was called 2024, ne? Yeah, it showed us flames. Seriously, flames. When I say flames, please believe me that I mean flames. Because tell me why I spent with my mom Christmas and New Year, can you believe it, in the hospital. So my mom fell sick and we were in the hospital since today. Actually, I'm going to go pick her up now at the hospital. She's getting discharged today. So yeah, that was actually what happened. So yeah, anyway, I got some packages that I had ordered during the time we were back home and I went to fetch them. So the first one is just braids. I ordered hair, and yeah, I ordered curls. The curls that I have been giving me, they've been shedding, so I need to get replacement lace and all of that good stuff. So I'll get that sometime this year. And here is the hair. Okay, so it's a 5x5. She said it's a double drawn water wave curl, and this is how it is. Volume. Okay, that's all I can tell you. And it's actually glueless. I put it on my braids. I let my braids down and I fit it. So I just need to bleach the knots. I can see she did some parts here, but I'll just redo it again and see if that gives it if it makes it better. And yeah, I like this. Hey, I love it. It's soft to the touch. So hopefully I can just define the curls and it will become much better. So yeah, that's the first one from Just Braids. People highly recommend her hair. In this world of being scammed with South African Instagram shops or whatever, I'd rather stick with someone that people are talking good stuff about. Okay, so I then went to fetch my package at the post office. So I got this Voltex lens adapter. I've been needing this because I have a 50mm lens that I couldn't use on my I used a Canon M6 Mark II. If you're interested to know, that's what I use. And I couldn't put my previously bought lens, which is the M50, that one with the bokeh for face stuff. So this year I want to start again to be serious with my content. I need to use my M50 I'm going to get an M50, my 50mm lens for my beauty content. So this is the Voltex one. Yeah, mount adapter EF2EOSM. It has the slit stuff, so let me try and put it onto my camera. The way I put my camera, guys. So let me remove this. This is the previous lens, and then I'm assuming you put this first. Okay, and then let me look for my lens. It's in the other bedroom. Let me go fetch it. Okay, so here it is. It's the Canon 50mm lens. That's the one I couldn't use. So now I have. I think it's good to do this. Okay, I have the adapter. Yay! So here it is. So you'll see the Veltrox adapter and then the lens. So let's switch it on. Let's see if it works. Oh gosh, it was on. I'm sure there's no battery. Oh, there's no SD card, but this is it. It surely works. So yeah, it shows. So I will be able to use this for my content. Yeah, great stuff. So yeah, minus one problem. I now have a lens adapter. Alright guys, so let me go fetch my mom. It's around 11 o'clock now. And then I'm gonna bring her back home, and then I'm going to finish off all the laundries that I need to do. And it's raining, so it stops. It rains, it comes out sun, it stops. This global warming is rubbish. So guys, don't mind this mess. I'm gonna figure this out sometime this week, and yeah, let us rather go. What is this? Guys, so we are back from stationery shopping. I was actually supposed to vlog in the mall. I forgot. Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you the stuff that we were buying. So we were supposed to buy 2 A1 boards. So that's what we got. I think they'll probably have like big projects this year, but they're gonna have to do. So we went to P&A. In my experience, P&A is much cheaper. Well, not much, but it's relatively cheaper than Walton's or CNA. So yeah, I usually like to do my stationery shopping at P&A. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys. We needed blue pens. It's going to grade 4 now. Please don't mind the mess at the back of me. Please, I'm gonna fix it this week somewhere. I've just been, yeah, held up because my mom is still around. I'm taking care of her. So, yeah. They wanted 6 glues, a pack of coloring pencils. I just took 24. A box of pencils. They wanted Monamic wax crayons. They also wanted oil pastels, more pens because they wanted 14 of them, the blue ones, and 4 of these. We'll just keep some extra ones just for later on in the year, because he usually does come back and say his stuff is finished. He chose this pencil case. This thing is 200 rand. Can you believe it? Yo guys, we're in trouble. 2 sets of highlighters. Like that. 4 erasers, of which he's probably going to lose them. But yeah. We bought other sharpeners. They also lose these ones very easily. Then in here I have a sketch pad. They also wanted that, and 100 pages exam pads. So yeah, 3 of those. So yeah, that's what they were calling for. And then we need to also get coloring stuff. of which I'm going to wait for his books to come back, so I'll probably do that in the weekend, this coming weekend, so that you'll see in the next vlog probably. But yeah, these are the stuff that we got for stationery. It cost 1,078. To be honest, I don't know if I can even say it wasn't bad. Everything's expensive these days, like, yo, we are in gag. So yeah, we just put the stuff back. So I'm busy cooking. I don't think I'm gonna show you guys that. I'm just not in the mood, to be honest with you. I'm just trying to get back into vlogging and content creation right now. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. So this vlog, I apologize in advance, it's not gonna be great. Not that my vlogs are ever that great anyway, but yeah. So I'm going to edit this vlog. If I find that it's at a limit, at a great time, 10-15 minutes, I'm going to close off the vlog here. So let me close it off. Thank you guys for watching, and please do subscribe. I hope this year will go at an exponential rate, but I do know that I have to put in the work. I'm trying to figure out how I can make time to make content, because that's the only way, and I need to be consistent. There's no way I'll grow without putting in any work. So I do know that for sure. But yeah, anyway, let me love and leave you guys. Have a great morning, evening, afternoon, whatever time you watch this. And I do appreciate the people that do watch, that come back over and over again. So I do appreciate it. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye.